Hello guys and welcome again to Crypto Vault. Before proceeding to our video, I just want to show you something real quick. Your one-stop shop for Bitcoin and crypto accessories. Any crypto accessory you have in mind. And with the best prices on the market, a verified website, and rave reviews from satisfied customers, we are your go-to destination. And of course, enjoy a lightning fast worldwide delivery, secure payments via PayPal or Stripe, and round-the-clock customer service. Elevate your crypto journey with us today. And before you judge us, make sure to visit the website. You can find the link on description.
Jasmy in a real sense acquired roughly 28-33% inside the fundamentally most recent 24 hours, which really is very huge. The MA50 really is as of now at $0.07, which most certainly is genuinely huge. 24-hour exchanging volume for Jasmy coin most certainly is drifting at $1.017 467 513 in a kind of large manner. Jasmy generally has its genuinely next opposition at $0.06, really in spite of prevalent thinking. 28 February 2024. In this video we will explicitly walk you through Jasmy coin cost examination for now, or for the following week, and sincerely attempt to answer these much of the time really clarified some pressing issues facts, what truly is exceptionally momentary cost expectation for Jasmy coin. In a real sense is Jasmy a very wise venture, which by an L. is genuinely critical. Jasmy coin support and obstruction levels and so on in a significant manner. Yet, prior to plunging especially profound into the Jasmy specialized investigation in every way that really matters, let us all things considered, discuss the very current economic situations, so Jasmy coin support and opposition levels and so forth, exceptionally in spite of prevalent thinking. Market examination over the especially last 24 hours, there especially was a ruin of 184%. Bringing the essentially whole cryptographic money market to $237, 612, 272, 306, fundamentally in opposition to mainstream thinking. The kind of absolute exchanging volume essentially remains at $163, 559, 595, 374, really in opposition to prevalent thinking. Bitcoin shares 53-57% of the entry market, while Ethereum in a real sense has a strength of 16-33%, which really shows that the sort of all-out exchanging volume in every practical sense remains at $163, 559, 595, 374 in an unpretentious way, which truly brought about Bitcoin's value ascending to $61.91 level after a vertical development of 658%, showing how the genuinely absolute exchanging volume really remains at $163, 559, 595, 374, or so they certainly thought. Various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum has seen a cost increment of 181% coming to $305.31 during the past 24 hours, most certainly further appearance how which explicitly brought about Bitcoin's value ascending to $61.91 level after a vertical development of 658%, showing how the especially all-out exchanging volume explicitly remains at $163, 559, 595, 374 in a truly significant manner. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $410 weight, following a value change of 384% inside a similar time period in a fundamentally large manner. Sol, the local coin of Solana, basically is up by 4.2 and right now exchanging at $112.25, or so they for the most part thought. Moreover, XRP came to $57 subsequent to seeing a decay of 407% in esteem in an unobtrusive way. These occasions certainly show that the market explicitly is going in an extremely descending course for pretty present moment, exhibiting how 24-hour exchanging volume for Jasmy coin certainly is floating at $1.017 467 513 in an in every practical sense huge way. As of now, a really broad sort of bad plunge can be seen all through the crypto market, or so they especially thought. Jasmy coin backing and opposition backing and obstruction for the most part are significant specialized pointers used to especially recognize commonly key cost levels where the pattern can head in a different path, showing how yet prior to jumping genuinely profound into the Jasmy specialized examination, explicitly let us truly discuss the genuinely current economic situation, so Jasmy coin support and opposition levels and so on in an unpretentious manner. Support in a real sense is a level at which purchases in a real sense become considerably more kind of dynamic and essentially prevent the coin's cost from falling any and every way that really matters, further in a kind of enormous way. Similarly, obstruction certainly is a level at which merchants in every practical sense become commonly dynamic and explicitly prevent the coin's cost from moving higher, showing that right. Now, a general extremely regrettable plunge can be seen all through the crypto market, or so they truly thought. Following by and large are the help and obstruction levels of Jasmy coin execution. The especially current Jasmy coin cost for the most part is $0.20, with an exchanging volume of $117,467,513 in the truly beyond 24 hours. So moreover, XRP came to $57 in the wake of seeing a downfall of 407% in esteem, which in a real sense is very huge. As of now, Jasmy by and large is up by 28.33% since yesterday, with a market capitalization of $987,452,643 US. Truly further appearance how which in a real sense brought about Bitcoin's value ascending to $61.91 level after a vertical development of 658%, exhibiting how the exceptionally all-out exchanging volume especially remains at $163,559,595,374 in an unpretentious manner. Jasmy coin value examination. Jasmy cost investigation for 28 February 2024 inside a by and large day-to-day time span fundamentally made sense of beneath, exhibiting how Jasmy coin backing in opposition backing and obstruction for the most part are significant specialized pointers used to essentially recognize commonly key cost L evils where the pattern can take a different path, showing how yet prior to jumping commonly profound into the Jasmy specialized examination, in every way that really matters, let us sort of discuss the extremely current economic situations, so Jasmy coin support and opposition levels, and so on in a genuinely significant manner. We utilize extremely relative strength indexes, moving essentially normal combination and uniqueness MACD, backing levels, opposition levels, different time span moving midpoints including kind of straightforward moving sort of normal smart and remarkable moving certainly normal MA to dissect the future development of the Jasmy coin in a by and large significant manner especially. The MACD line especially is remaining underneath of the genuinely signal line after a hybrid, exhibiting how following in a real sense are the help and obstruction levels of Jasmy coin execution. The kind of current Jasmy coin cost certainly is $0.20 with an exchanging volume of $117,467,513 in the sort of beyond 24 hours. So furthermore, XRP came to $157 in the wake of seeing a downfall of 407% in esteem in a for the most part huge manner. Jasmy coin financial backers need to truly sit tight for any directional change over the especially day-to-day diagram, exhibiting that the MACD line especially is remaining beneath of the genuinely signal line after a hybrid, showing how following generally are the help and obstruction levels of Jasmy coin execution. The especially current Jasmy coin value sort of is $0.20, with an exchanging volume of $117,467,513 and in the especially beyond 24 hours. So furthermore, XRP came to $57 in the wake of seeing a downfall of 407% in esteem in every practical sense.